Within the framework of the event, the delegation from the Minister of Investment, Industry and Trade of Uzbekistan had talks with the Minister of Finance and Corporate Affairs of India. During the conversation, the current state and prospects of building up trade, economic and investment partnership with India were discussed. Over the past 5 years, the volume of mutual trade has doubled to $756 million by the end of the 2023. Since the beginning of the year, there has been an increase of another 30%. Since 2019, the number of joint ventures has grown almost 2.5 times to 317 units. Since the beginning of the year alone, 51 new enterprises with the participation of Indian capital have been launched in Uzbekistan. The parties agreed on a number of mutual measures to intensify the process of obtaining phytosanitary permits for 6 additional types of agricultural products grown in Uzbekistan, attracting preferential loans from the Indian Exim Bank to finance social projects. In a separate order, the prospect of attracting large Indian companies to Uzbekistan in the fields of information technology, pharmaceuticals, medicine, light industry and education were considered. Following the meeting, the parties agreed on the dates of the next meeting of the Joint Intergovernmental Commission, at which signing of a joint program is planned, providing for the implementation of all discussed projects and initiatives. Moreover, Minister of Investment, Industry and Trade of Uzbekistan and the Minister of Finance of Egypt had a meeting that focused on the development of trade, economic and investment cooperation between the two countries. The trade turnover from January to August 2024 saw a 20% increase compared to the previous year. The collaborative investment portfolio boasts 18 diverse sector projects worth over $1.5 billion. The meeting underscored the importance of leveraging all existing resources and opportunities to boost mutual trade volumes. A consensus was reached to establish a joint working group dedicated to conducting a thorough analysis and formulating targeted proposals to enhance bilateral trade. The discussion also pinpointed key priorities such as fostering cooperation between financial and banking institutions and actively engaging Egyptian companies in Uzbekistan. Concluding the talks, both parties reaffirmed the commitment to advancing the cooperative relationship and arranged for the subsequent session of the Intergovernmental Commission on Trade, Economic and Scientific Technical Cooperation between Uzbekistan and Egypt to take place in Samarkand before the end of the current year.